Hey guys, and a very warm welcome back to What's for Tea, and this is what we're having for tea this week. You guys seemed to like it last week, so I've done it again. So this is Monday, and I just made some meatballs in the slow cooker with some onion gravy. We had it with some mashed potato and some carrots. Now I think this is probably my favourite meal of the week. They were absolutely delicious. They're just pork and beef meatballs, but oh, they were also tasty. So we're moving on to Tuesday, and we like to try and have meat-free days, at least 2 days a week. So this is one of those days, and I made some veggie burgers. So that's a veggie patty and some mushrooms, some cheese, tomato, lettuce, and we had some tatty wedges on the side and some salsa just to go with it. So yeah, but again, awfully tasty as a nice wee alternative to meat. So we're now on to Wednesday, and I made a 3 cheese pasta bake with 3 different types of cheddar, one of which was smoked, which was absolutely delicious, and I made it with penny pasta. And then we're now on to Thursday, another meat-free day actually, and I made a QUORN cottage pie. It's just like an alternative to minced beef, but Steve, I'm being honest with you, it's you can't even tell the difference, you know, once you've got everything else in with it, so it was delicious. And now we're on to Friday, and I made a chicken supreme with basic white rice, and it's just a chicken breast and a savoury white sauce, which I've added chicken stock to, some corn and some mushrooms. And we actually went out on Saturday. We went to Frankie and Benny's, which is like an Italian-American diner type restaurant. I had chicken parmesan, and then I finished off with a milkshake, or sorry, freak shake, as they're known as, but that was amazing. So yeah, thank you very much for coming along and having a look and seeing what's going on. I really do appreciate it. You know, thanks to everybody that does come back and leaves your comments and things. And I mean, I do respond and interact with you, which I love it. And yeah, we've got some scones coming up next week. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye for now.